Hello and welcome to this first challenge para sa ating Boolean. Okay? So right now we have a scenario. We have to purchase a shoe. However, we have a gift card na pwede nating gamitin. The goal is to check kung sapat na ba yung gift card natin so that we can purchase it. And if not, magkano yung kailangan nating idagdag para ma-purchase natin yung sapatos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to compile my program by inputting java first.java. And to run it, Java first. Alright. So, notice, dun sa ating output, we have a blank line bago pa magsimula yung first line, no? So, 500 pesos, the price tag says this shoes will cost me 500. Then, another blank line, do I have enough gift voucher value for it? Another blank line, and then press enter to continue. So, dapat pindutin ko si enter. Notice, after executing enter, meron akong dalawang blank line dito. And may tanong, let's see, how much gift voucher you have, okay? So, una, input ko muna 500. So, kapag 500, dahil 500 lang naman yung cost ng sapatos, it will say, certainly, in exclamation point, all, naka-capital yung first character, okay? Let me run ulit. Now, let's see how much gift voucher you have. Sabihin natin 700 yung voucher ko. Alright? Of course, you still have 200 left from your gift voucher. Alright, so that's the first thing na pinakita niya, no? Labis pa ng 200 yung ating voucher. So, hindi natin kailangan magdagdag ng cash. And if I run this again, at gawin ko man lang 200 yung gift voucher natin. Nakalagay dito, sorry but no, add 300 pesos for you to purchase it. Okay? So, remember, notice yung mga execution, yung mga agwat ng line. This is also to test kung naiintindihan nyo how things work step by step, not just the program itself. Okay? I'll be seeing you sa ating next video.